Here's how I secretly started investing in real estate without getting a loan or dropping $15,000 for a property. If you've ever thought real estate was out of your league because you don't have hundreds of thousands lying around, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll see why even $10 can be your golden ticket into the world of real estate. 4. The Low Tho TV is where we help you save money, build wealth, and unlock smarter ways to invest without breaking the bank. Today's video is all about Fundrise, and I'll be giving you a full beginner-friendly review, plus a little story about how I personally started with Fundrise and why it changed the way I see real estate investing forever. My first step, I still remember when I first heard about Fundrise. I was sitting at my desk, frustrated with inflation eating away at my savings. Real estate sounded amazing, but let's be real. Buying a property? That felt impossible. No down payment, no massive loans, just me looking for a way to grow my money. That's when I stumbled across Fundrise. It promised something crazy. Invest in real estate with as little as $10. I figured, why not? Worst case, I lose $10. Best case, I open a door I never thought I could walk through. And let me tell you, signing up was smoother than expected. Within minutes, I owned a small slice of real estate projects. It wasn't flashy, but it was my first step. And honestly, that first step made me feel like an investor. What Fundrise is. So what exactly is Fundrise? Think of it like this. Instead of one person buying an entire building, a group of everyday investors all pool their money together, like friends pitching in for pizza. Except instead of pizza, you're buying commercial and residential properties across the US. Fundrise handles all the details: property management, construction, tenants, everything. You just sit back and watch your slice of the pie grow. Benefits for beginners. Here's why Fundrise is perfect for beginners. First, low-cost entry. You can literally start with $10. That's less than a couple of lattes at Starbucks. No more excuses that you can't afford to invest. Second, diversification. Made simple. Instead of buying one house, your $10 is spread across multiple projects, apartments, new developments, even commercial properties. It's like having a tiny piece of a real estate empire. Third, passive income potential. Fundrise pays you through dividends and appreciation. It's like planting seeds in a garden. You water it once, and the growth happens in the background. And as a bonus, I loved how Fundrise emailed me updates about new properties. It made me feel connected, like I was actually part of something bigger. Every time I saw an email about new developments added, I got that little rush of excitement knowing my money was working. My takeaway for beginners. Here's the truth. Getting started is the hardest part. I could have sat around complaining about how I didn't have enough money to invest, but instead, I decided to just start where I was. Fundrise isn't going to make you rich overnight. It's not a lottery ticket, but it is a powerful first step. It's like going to the gym. You don't get fit in one workout, but you change your entire future by showing up consistently. That $10 I started with, it wasn't just money, it was a mindset shift. It told me, hey, you can do this. And that's exactly what I want for you too. So if you're a beginner looking for a way into real estate without the heavy costs, Fundrise is a great place to start. Drop a comment below and let me know, what's stopping you from taking that first $10 step? And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to For the Low Tho, and let's keep building wealth together, one smart move at a time.